Hey there, welcome to Primal Health. Let me quickly display the disclaimer on the screen. Ever wonder why the healthiest grocery shoppers stick to the perimeter of the store? Today, I'm spilling the beans, or should I say, showing you how to shop smarter and healthier. Let's dive in. Most grocery stores are designed with fresh, whole foods along the perimeter. Think fresh fruits and veggies. A wide selection of high-quality meats, perfect for nourishment and supporting a healthy lifestyle. And also all kinds of wild-caught seafood, a delicious addition to enhance overall health. Fresh pasture-raised eggs, perfect little packages of protein and healthy fats, as well as dairy. If your body tolerates it, go for full-fat, minimally processed options like butter, non-flavored yogurt, and cheese. Now, let's talk about the danger zone, the center aisles or the inner aisles. Here's what you'll find. Processed foods like chips are available in a wide variety of options and other pre-packaged snacks. And all kinds of cookies and other snacks, not your body's best friends. And you'll also find refined carbs like cereals, crackers, and more. Also bread that spikes your blood sugar. As well as those sugary drinks such as all kinds of sodas and fruit juices that add empty calories. That's where the heavily processed, less nutritious engineered food lives, in the center aisles. Want to stick to the perimeter like a pro? Try these helpful tips. Plan your meals. A simple meal plan saves you time, money, and temptation. Stick to your list and stay focused on your essentials to avoid unnecessary purchases. Be selective with dairy. Look for full-fat and minimally processed options if it suits your diet. And if you absolutely must venture into the middle, do it with a purpose. Grab your spices, healthy oils, or pantry essentials, then make a quick escape. So, there you have it. Shopping around the store perimeter isn't just a grocery hack, it's a health hack. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, healthy living tips. Happy shopping! Be sure to check out the rest of my video. Thanks for watching.